Well, hello, hello, hello. Another location shoot for mail call. This I literally brought with me, I think. No, Steve brought it. Steve brought it. Pierre Gallery brought it to me. That it came in the mail while I was gone. I still have more stuff, so I'm hoping by the time I go home on Sunday that I'm going to have quite a few things because I've got about 3 ship alerts in my email. So 2 of them are from Spellbinders and 1 from Tonic. So I have those orders coming in. One of them is my total package from Spellbinders. The other one is from the last sale that they had. I got a few things, and then Tonic was I think things I picked up from their vault sale that weren't necessarily vaulty. I can't remember, but or either better or it was a Wednesday. I forget. It was just one of their sales, and I picked up a few things from Tonic, not a lot. But this is scrapbook.com. It was from their sale when they brought out the I know what this is. This is my magic mats. So I've been dying to get them. And they went on crazy, down sale. So I'm like, oh yeah, I'm getting these. So that, I'm going to just go ahead and crack this open. I mean, I'm already telling you what it is. So all the excitement is gone. Oh my goodness. So let's see now if we can open it from this side. We're going to get it. If not, we have Jan scissors. That's it. We are going to do the rest here. So I'm going to grab it from here real quick. And I'll pull up. Yeah, I have a few things in here. Oh yeah, I forgot to even order these. I'm excited about that. So, okay. So I do have a few goodies. Okay. So, first off, these are not the magic dies. And these are bigger than I thought. This is not going to work. Oh, phooey. 8 by 12. Crud. And I didn't pay attention. I wanted these to put dies in my, oh my gosh, what are the binders I have? I mean, technically speaking, I am inventive. I can make these work. These are fairly inexpensive, or I might see if I can exchange them, but that involves a lot of hoo-ha. So I may just, bite the bullet, learn my lesson, pay attention to what you guys buy. And, because I can change the holes. I can move the holes for sure, and I can just cut a little bit off the top. I just want to have more of these fill, and this is the high quality. This is what I wanted. So these weren't very expensive. I remember that, but I needed the better ones, not like you get in the really thin ones that come with the albums. These were like heavy duty, so I've got to refigure that out. So I've not given up, but yeah, this is exactly at least what I wanted. So I may still make them work. I may just, cut some off the top and the heck with it, and there you go. Because, me, I'm a nut. And I will make this work. They were not that expensive. I can't remember. I don't know. Let me see. Because I think the packing slip is still in here. Did I leave it in here? Does it tell me what Dingleberry here paid? No, it just tells me there's one of them in there. So, there you go. Lesson learned. Okay, but here is the piece de resistance. Is I got 2 magic mats. So these are good with almost all die cutters for sure. Like you can use it with both the platinums. You can use it with the Sizzix, the Big Shot. It works with the Gemini. I believe the only one it did not come up for was the Empress. I could be wrong. And that's the one I'm using a lot more now, is my Empress. And that's only because don't get me wrong, I so love my Gemini Junior and I have the full size. I just don't have the Pro. But because it has such awesome power, it die cuts anything great. But it almost has too much pressure, and I get a lot of warpage of what I'm die cutting. The Empress has a little less pressure. It is a lot quieter. And what was the other thing? And, mind you, I have to push a button. With the Gemini, you just feed the plates in and it sucks it in. With the Empress, I have to feed them in and then push run, and it pulls it the rest of the way through. Oh my gosh, I have to push a button. The horror. But these are, I've heard several YouTubers rave about these, the magic mats. So I got 2 of them. They were like ridiculously cheap. They're not as cheap. They're still cheap, but they're not as cheap as when you had to get it like that day because they sold out fast, or at least the whatever was at that price. But it's just a regular mat. But And I'm not here, and I don't think it'll work on the Empress, but when I get home, I'll show you guys. I'll work with this so you can show you guys, anybody that doesn't know about it, doesn't have it, I will do a little demo on these two. And the only other thing that came is this, which is Mystic Treasures. It's a Kaiser color, and it was the freebie. Scrapbook.com notoriously will do a lot of little freebie things. You just have to be paying attention. Almost every day they have a freebie. And the day that I ordered, this was the freebie. So it's just, little cards that you can color that would be, here you go. They're a postcard, or you can use it for a card front. Look how pretty that is. So, coloring is very zen. Some of these, I'm not sure how zen-y I am, but it was free. Hey, so there you go. So these are cute. They're really cute, but some of these are so small that I think I'll go blind. Now see, it's bigger and it has butterflies. So I'm down with that. So that's really pretty too. So some of these, they may entice me to be crazy enough to do them. So, oh, look at the lovebirds. Those are so pretty. So yeah, and this was just free. So they just tossed it in there. So what the heck? It's not like I'm out any money. So anyway, this is a short but super sweet. That's just showing you the little goodies I got in my mail call. I promise the next one will be longer and better. And I am shooting video, guys. I am editing videos. What I'm doing is taking like a little downtime this week with putting them up, so that I'm going to try now to stay a week ahead. So I'm going to put those to go up next week so that I have a bit of a cushion, so that it'll help me to get more on a regular. So I'm thankful if you guys are putting up with me for that. Okay. But I'm going to go. My husband is here for a little while, and we've hardly spent any time this week together, so I miss my guy. So I'm going to go. All right, thanks a lot for hanging out with me, and hopefully you enjoyed this. And if you did, guys know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, drop me a note, and say, hey, Myra, I'm missing you, or my God, you're back again. Oh, Lord, and I thought I was safe. Whichever. It's fine. And if you want to see more of my madness, then just hit subscribe, ding the bell. I will always be around lurking because I have nothing better to do, apparently. And meanwhile, guys, don't forget, I am not alone. I know I'm not the only one. So we're all a little mad here. So let's scrap the madness together, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.